Top 5 Best Kitchen Gadgets. 1. Tescoma Preserving Jars 200 ml. Each jar is well sealed, equipped with a ring and 2 clamps to make sure your food stays absolutely clean, fresh, and safe while in storage. Our jar is light to hold, made of thick glass material, also very durable, and can be reused after cleaning. It can be used for different purposes such as juices, water, canning, storing, and more. 2. Victorinox Fibrox Pro Knife. Preferred by both home chefs and culinary professionals, the 8 Fibrox Pro Chef's knife can handle nearly every kitchen task imaginable. Crafted with a comfortable handle, superior weight and balance, and a razor-sharp edge that rarely requires resharpening. 3. Brushed Chrome. Introducing a hand mixer that's as easy to put away as it is to operate. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer performs any task a recipe calls for, and then tucks into its own storage case. Once it has mixed heavy batters, whipped up fluffy meringues. 4. Cutlery Swiss Classic Serrated Steak Knife. An elegant addition to any table setting, the 4.5 Victorinox Swiss Classic Steak Knife slices without flattening or ripping your meat. Crafted with a comfortable handle, superior weight and balance, and a razor-sharp edge that rarely requires resharpening. 5. Automatic Ice Cream Maker. With Hamilton Beach ice cream makers, you can enjoy creating homemade ice cream, frozen yogurt, sherbet, and gelato in your own kitchen. Just add your favorite ingredients, sit back and relax. You'll be scooping delicious ice-cold desserts in no time. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.